Hi there, I'm Vicki Parvano from Aussie Stampers. Today I'm announcing the winner of our Stampers Art Gallery competition for the month of April. So every month I run this competition over on our private Facebook group and I give away a prize, and I'll be announcing the winner of the prize at the end of the video. So this is the prize for this month that I'm giving away. So the lucky winner will receive some designer paper which has beautiful foil spots on it. So the colours are pink, green, orange and blue. So they are really useful to have in your stash, so I hope you enjoy those. The other thing I'm giving away are these embroidery hoops. So there's 8 mini embroidery hoops, and you can use them as actual embroidery hoops if you want to, but you can also stamp out some images, punch them out with your punches and use them to showcase works of art. Now this stamp set here is one I particularly love. It's a celebration stamp set called Heartfelt Blooms. It's a really pretty one, and I'm going to announce the winner now. So let's see who gets all the goodies this month. The April winner is Noreen Meekins, and thank you Noreen for your entry, which was with the hashtag best photo. And I love the way you've created this and put it in a beautiful layout. There were so many lovely entries this month. It was really hard to choose. I just loved this one. I think there's so much effort's gone into putting this together, and it looks really adorable. If you'd like to be a part of our Stampers Art Gallery group, then hop on over to Facebook and you could be in the winning for next month's prize. That's it for today, and I'll see you again with another card making video soon. Bye for now.